Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create a circular webcam like the one I have over here in OBS Studio, OBS. So the first step is to add your display over here, and then you click on the plus and add video capture device and click OK. So here you have to select the webcam that you're using, and then you click on OK and you will see it over here. You can resize it as you want. And then you have to click with the right button of your mouse here on the video capture device and click on filters. Here you can add a filter. You click on the plus and specifically you add image mask. In here you will need an image that will be the actual mask that you can upload basically. We are going to create that image, but in case you don't have Photoshop, you can download it from the description of this video. I put a link over there. So we are going to open Photoshop. And we create a new file. We have to specify the resolution. For me, this one is correct, but in your case, maybe it's different. Then you click on create. We want a background black, so you have to select this tool. You have to select here the black. And then you click here to have everything black. Then you have to unlock here the background. You have to click on the locker. And then we are going to create a circle. Here, with the right button of your mouse, you select elliptical marquee tool. And then you create a circle. There are better ways to do it. There is not a tutorial for creating this circle specifically, but you have to basically be careful about the pixels. So it has to be the same size. Then you can move it to be exactly at the center. So you will notice because here there is a line that appears. So in this case, close, here is the center. And then you want to fill with white this circle over here. Then you click here on an empty space to deselect, and you want to fill black this other part. That's it. So we have the circle right now, and you have to make sure that these borders over here don't exactly overlap. So there should be at least 1 millimeter or so in this at the bottom and at the top. Otherwise it won't look correct. Then at this point you have to export as a JPEG and save it wherever. I already have it here prepared. So then you have to close here and you go back to the filters and you select here the mask and click on browse. You go into downloads, well, wherever you save that file, then you select it and click on open. And as you can see now, we have a perfect circle. You can specify the opacity and yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you click on close and that's it, it's done. You have it over here and it's a perfect circle that you can scale it and you can move it in whatever angle of the video you want. That's it. See you.